In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Realme. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that, and download completely free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!